just let it fly. Let it coast. Say that. 1, 2, 3, yeah.
I want to go back so bad. How did you just keep going for? Are you video recording this?
No, that's right. Can you repeat it to me? Because I know I ordered a lot of things. I want to make sure you got it right.
Yeah. Okay, so I have a popcorn chicken with barbecue, a 5-piece mozzarella stick with marinara, a quarter-pound chili cheese pony, a medium tater tot, a small strawberry slush, a medium peach pineapple slush, and a strawberry sundae.
Yes.
Okay, would you like the drink carrier for your drink?
Yes, please.
Okay, your total will be $17.12. Thank you. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Yes.
She said it like second thing. They open. They close at midnight, yo.
Not to mess up.
Okay, all right. Let's do this for.
Musala.
That's the name? Just masala.
Just Musala.
Okay.
Team Cahtel.
I'm worried about how I look. Okay, oh, you started. You didn't tell me you started. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
And go.
Hey, Tim. Sorry. Okay, no. She made it weird for me. I didn't know she was recording.
I'm kicking you guys while you're kicking.
Okay, now this is a real one. Sorry. This is for real.
Alright.
It's for real.
Let's do it.
Hey, Tim Cahtel. Download the CD Musala if you haven't already done so. Great music. Alright, deuces.
You gotta go. So it has to be on the so 1, 2, 3.
Alright.
So that's the first part of it. It's just like steps at a wedding. 1, 2, 3.
And then, okay, hold on.
So it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you repeat it with the other leg.
Okay.
So it's real simple. But then once the chorus
Some of
comes
us
in.
are not dancers. Yeah.
We're gonna be your guys' dancers on tour.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
I want to go back. Yeah, I know. So I feel like doing something backwards.
Let's do this again.
Go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you do 3 steps and then you just let it fly. Let it coast. Say that. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
I want to go back so bad. How did you just keep going for? Are you video recording this? You're gonna put this up somewhere?
Can I give you my signature dance? Camera.
Let's try it ourselves.
Okay. This is his voice that I like.
That's how you guys do. You don't do anything else?
We guys make it work so.
Then y'all can add.
It's like you have swag. We don't have swag.
I have swag. What are you talking about?
You can add anything to it. The basic part is the
I can't do all of that. Yeah, I know what you mean.
It's like so much. Wait,
You don't
let's try it again.
You don't look cool with that.
And we are not groupies. We are just friends of the band. We're with the
actually
band.
siblings.
Yeah. Say bye, Keekers. Bye.
Bye, Kika. She's like, say bye.
We have to say something. Yeah, that's what Kim Kardashian does. Bye, Keekers.
It's the Cahtel!